Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hand. This time is prep tables, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, they are about like a 28-inch wide, and the depth of the unit is about like a 31 inches in total, and the overall height of the unit is about 43.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with one open door at the front, and also this one have a soft close functions. They can come in back sharply, and also they do have a locks on the casters, for two of those at the front, and also they do having the cutting boards. And when we open the lid, we can find they have some containers inside. And when we take a look closer to see the inner side, let me give the dimensions. And we can see the units coming with about like a total 8 containers inner side, and the cutting board, it is about like a 12 and 1/4 inches deep. Same as length about like a 27 and 3/4 inches wide. And also for each of the containers, for the bigger sizes, it's about like a 7 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and depth about like a 4 inches. For the smaller one, it is about like a 4 and 1/4 inches wide, 7 inches long, and 4 inches deep also. For this units, we do have the ETL sanitation sticker at the behind. And we're looking at the bottoms, they do have a controllers. And from the manufacturers, they offer the standard 110 plugs. And also when we open the door, we will see the inner side, they have a circling fans at the behind. For this base dimensions, it is about like a 20 inches deep and 24 inches wide. And for the bottom, still have about like a 13 inches deep. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.